Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am here, your drawing teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting, I have some instruction for all of you. Kindly follow them. Sit quietly and properly in front of your screen. Don't raise hand during class. If you have any one question and concern, you can chat me and inbox me but in last given minutes. Let's start our topic. As all of you know that today I am taking your drawing class 2 and our topic is object drawing. Your book name is Honey Bee Art and Handbook 2. I hope you all got it. As all of you know that drawing is an art. So while drawing any one object, you have to follow some rules, and rules or tips for object drawings are: number one, availability of complete drawing kit is must. It's mean all of you must have your pencil box, stationery box with you, in which you keep pencil, eraser, ruler, colors, etc. Now use a sharp pencil for drawing. And the second instruction, tips for drawing object drawing is use a sharp pencil for drawing. Always use a sharp pencil while you will draw any one object. Drawing should be clear, neat and clean when you will draw any one diagram. So your diagram will be clear, neat and clean. So what you will do for drawing any one clear, neat and clean object, you have to follow tips. Got my point? Each picture should draw in the correct proportion. What is the meaning? The meaning of this line, that picture or object you are drawing in your drawing copy, that will be drawn in correct proportion. It's mean you will measure it correctly. Then you will find it correct picture. Use the space of the page provided for drawing properly as per requirement. What you will do, you will use the space of the page which you have in your drawing copy provided for drawing properly as per requirement, as the requirement given in your object. So you have to follow it. Got it? So tips for object drawings I have shared with you. That is about you must have drawing kit with you. Okay, drawing kit mean you must have your pencil box, stationery box. Every stationery item will be in your kit as pencil, razor, ruler, sharpener and your colors. Sharp pencil must you have for drawing. Drawing should be clear, neat and clean. I hope you got it this line. Each picture should draw in the correct proportion. It's mean correct measurement. Space of the page provided for drawing properly as per requirement. It's mean the space of the page which given to you, you will be follow it and take it carefully. Next, object drawing. Now I am sharing with you the definition of object drawing. A drawing object describes visible content such as shape, diagram or a line of text. The meaning of drawing object drawing is describe visible content, the thing which you see, which you can see as a shape or a diagram or a line or text. These all things make a object drawing. We can change and enhance the object with colors. What you will do with the colors? You can change and enhance. This mean elaborate the object with the color. You can enhance the beauty of the object with the colors. What you will do with the colors? You can enhance. You can enhance the beauty of the object with the colors. Different types of drawing of describe different types of contents. It's mean when you will draw different types of object, drawing objects, this mean you are sharing or describing different types of content. Got it? Now this is the riddle time. I am asking to you a riddle. So you can use your chat box right now for giving me answer. And the question number 1, which I am asking to you, that is the riddle. Which thing is used to put any liquid thing through a small hole for pouring? Which thing is used to put any liquid thing through a small hole for pouring? For pouring, you can chat me right now if you know the answer. Okay, and the answer is funnel. And the answer is funnel. It's mean funnel is the object we use to pour. We use to put any liquid thing through a small hole for pouring. Got my point? Now the second riddle is, which thing has 4 legs but never walks? Anyone can tell me the name of the thing which has 4 legs but never walk? This is the riddle. Who will give the answer? You can use the chat box right now. If you know the answer, so you can use the chat box right now. Which thing has 4 legs but never walk? Which thing has 4 legs but never walk? You can see around your where you are sitting now. I am giving you hint. On which thing you are sitting now? The thing which has 4 legs but never walk, that is table and chair. The name of the thing which has 4 legs but never walk. It is table and chair. So our today object which I am drawing here, which I am sharing with you here, that is about the funnel and table and chair. I hope you enjoy this riddle. Before starting the object drawing, I have some instruction for all of you. The instructions are about lines. Instructions are about lines. What is line? So my dear students, lines. Shapes are created by different lines. We make the shape of square, rectangle, triangle. So how we make it? We made it by the help of lines. Okay, shapes are created by different lines. Got my point? There are different types of lines depending upon their position and shapes. My dear students, listen it carefully that there are different types of lines depending upon their position and shapes. The meaning of this line, for example, I am sharing with you that square. Square has 4 same lines, but the rectangle have not same lines. Okay, what am I telling you? I will describe you after showing this picture. Different types of lines are horizontal, vertical and parallel. What am I telling you? Look at this picture. Lines. I am sharing with you about the lines, and the lines pictures are here. Lines. I am describing you that shapes are created by different lines. These lines helps you in creating any one shape. Lines are horizontal lines. These types of lines called horizontal lines. Okay. You can see these horizontal lines in your English copy. Think about your English copy. In your English copy, you have 4 lines. You have 4 lines. You have 4 lines, and these 4 lines are horizontal lines. Okay. And in your copy, you have also red margin on the side of your copy. So this is the vertical line. This is the vertical line. Okay. Horizontal lines, vertical line, slant lines. Slant lines. Slant lines helps you in creating any one shape. For example, with the help of slant lines, you made the shape of triangle. Got my point? Okay, my dear students, these all lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, and slant lines, also called straight lines. Also called straight lines. By the help of these lines, we create shapes. What we will do? We will create shapes and objects by the help of these lines. Everybody keep it in your mind that horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines and straight lines. Okay. Now this is about your object time. This is about your object time. Now we are drawing here the steps of funnel. How we will draw a funnel in your drawing copy? How you will draw a funnel in your drawing copy? I am showing you the steps. Everybody listen it carefully and draw it by this method. Step number one. Step number one, that is draw a straight line of 6 centimeter. Look at this object. Today, as you know that I am drawing here a funnel, so what you will do first? So first of all, you will draw a straight line of 6 centimeter like this. Draw two more straight tilt line. Tilt means slant line of 5 centimeter like this, or make a triangle shape. It will be a triangle shape. Okay, and rub the lower side. It means you will rub the lower side. My dear students, as you know that today I am drawing here a funnel, so you will have to focus it carefully that what you will do while you will draw a funnel in your drawing copy. So everybody listen me carefully and follow these steps while you will draw funnel in your drawing copy. Step number one, I have discussed with you that you will draw a triangle of 6 centimeter straight line, and these lines will be 5 centimeter, and you will rub the lower line. Next, draw two more straight lines of 5 centimeter on each side of the tilt line. What you will do, what am I telling you? Look at this picture. This. I shared with you that you will rub the lower side. Okay, when you will rub the lower side, you will draw the two more straight lines of 5 centimeter on each side of tilt line. These are the tilt line. So you will draw the two more straight lines after the tilt line that will join it. Okay, it's mean this shape will look like a rectangle, but a small rectangle. It's mean you will join a triangle with the shape of rectangle. Next one, draw a handle on right side by using of square shaped lines. What you will do, my dear students, now you will join the handle. You will join the handle. How you will? Look at this. First you will draw the triangle shape, then you will rub the lower side, and you will draw the handle of the funnel. You will draw the handle of the funnel by using the square shape lines. How you will? It will be little bit tilt, then you will make the handle of your funnel. Definitely you will draw it. I hope you got it, how you will draw funnel in your drawing copy. So everybody be careful about, you will draw a funnel in your copy by following these steps. Look at this. This type of funnel you will draw in your drawing copy. I have shared with you the 3 steps of how you will draw funnel, but the last you will draw this picture in your drawing copy, and this is your object drawing funnel. Okay, now you will draw funnel in your drawing copy. This time I am sharing here the drawing steps of table. Now I am drawing here the table. So how you will draw a table in your drawing copy? Everybody look at. Step number one. Step number one, how you will draw a table. So first of all, draw two straight lines of 8 centimeter, then join. Look at this picture. Two straight lines of 8 centimeter. This line and this line will be 8 centimeter. Then join. Then join. How you will join? You will join it both sides. These lines parallel of both sides, 1 centimeter distance. Look at this. Rectangle shape will be appear. After drawing the 1 centimeter line, you will observe that rectangle shape will be appear. Okay, this is the step number one for drawing a table. Now the next one is step number two. How you will draw a table. This is the step number two. Below the rectangle, draw 4 centimeter to more vertical rectangle shape. Look at this. Like this. Wow, and your table is ready here. What you will do for drawing a table? Step number 2, below the rectangle, draw 4 centimeter to more vertical rectangle shapes. Its mean here is one rectangle shape which has 8 centimeter straight lines, and after this rectangle you will draw vertical position 2 rectangle which has 4 centimeter, okay, and the last side will be zero point 0.5 centimeter. Okay, I hope all of you got it. How you will draw a table? This is the drawing steps of table. How you will draw a table? Step number 1, draw 2 straight lines of 8 centimeter, then join. Look at this picture. These lines parallel of both sides 1 centimeter distance. These lines parallel of both 1 centimeter distance. Rectangle shape will be appear. Then you will show. Then you will observe here a rectangle shape. After making a rectangle shape, what you will do? Then you will follow the step number 2. Below the rectangle, draw 4 centimeter 2 more vertical rectangle shapes, and these are hairs. These are here. Got it? This table you will draw in your drawing copy like this. Okay? No need of drawing in your copy like stepwise. I am showing you this. You will draw complete table. Okay? And one more instruction for all of you, that before drawing any one object in your drawing copy, you have to draw it in your rough copy. After drawing and practice in your drawing copy, in your rough copy, then you will start drawing in your drawing copy. Then you will start drawing in your drawing copy. Got my point? Very good. The next one is, I am sharing with you here the drawing steps of chair. Chair has 4 legs but never walk. I have asked you, the chair has 4 legs but never walk. So, I am discussing with you here the step number 1, how you will drawing a chair in your drawing copy. So, you will follow the steps for drawing a chair in your drawing copy. Draw a rectangle vertically at 7 centimeter. What you will do, class? First of all, you will draw a rectangle vertically at 7 centimeter. Vertically, I have shared with you, vertical lines mean straight line like this. Look at this line. Draw a rectangle vertically. Now you will vertically draw a rectangle, and the measurement will be 7 centimeter. Okay, got my point? The rectangle measurement will be 7 centimeter and it will be vertical. For drawing chair, this is the step number 2. From the middle of the rectangle, draw 2 parallel lines horizontally, both line 3.5 centimeter. Step number 2, from the middle of the rectangle, this is the middle of the rectangle. What you will do, you will draw parallel lines horizontally, both line 3.5 centimeter, and you can easily understand by this that you will draw here one more rectangle, and look at this. This rectangle will be horizontal here, and the measurement of this rectangle will be both line 3.5 centimeter. Okay, as you know that our chair will be 7 centimeter and the central part of the chair will be 3.5 centimeter. Got my point? 3.5 centimeter. Number 3, for drawing a chair, step number 3 is, below the rectangle, draw 2 straight lines. This one, I am sharing here about this one. Both line 3.5 centimeter, join from end at 7 centimeter. Now look at this. First we have drawn, this is 7 centimeter. Second we have 3.5 centimeter, which is from the center, and the third one is here, and your chair is ready for sitting. Look at this. How you will draw it? It is very simple method of how you will draw a chair in your drawing copy. First you will draw this rectangle, then this rectangle, and last this rectangle, and your chair will be ready. Drawing steps of chairs. Step number 1, draw a rectangle vertically at 7 centimeter. Got it? Step number 2, from the middle of the rectangle, look at this. This is the middle of the rectangle. Draw two parallel lines horizontally. It means you will draw again one rectangle. Both line 3.5 centimeter. Got my point? These both line will be 3.5 centimeter. And the third one, step number 3. Below the rectangle, draw two straight lines. Both line 3.5 centimeter. Join from end at 1 centimeter. Got my point? This, I am talking here about this one. I hope you all got the instruction about how you will draw a chair in your copy, and this is the complete picture of your chair. This picture you will draw in your drawing copy. But as I have shared with you before starting drawing in your drawing copy, you must start drawing in your rough copy for your practicing. First you will practice of every object drawing in your rough copy, then you will draw in your fair copy. That will be your drawing fair copy. Okay, I will share with you in your home task what you will draw today, what you will home task. But before this, I am sharing with you that this is your book page number 3 pictures. This is your book page number 3 picture. If you have your book, so you can open your book page number 3 right now. Okay, in your book page number 3, you can see the picture of pomegranate and the guava. What is this? Wow, what a beautiful shape of pomegranate. And this is the guava. You can see both pictures in your drawing book page number 3. And both are fruits. And both are fruits. I hope all of you like pomegranate and guava. Okay. So what you will do in book page number 3? First you will complete the picture. Then you will start coloring in it. Okay. As same as it is, you have picture in your book page number 3. What you will do? Just color in it. Okay. Which color you will do? You will use the red color for pomegranate and the green color for the guava. Book page number 3, what you will do? You will use the red color for your pomegranate fruit and the guava green color. Okay, all of you got it? Now I am sharing with you that be careful while coloring in it. Be careful while coloring in it. Everybody be careful while you will color in it. Nobody will make it dirty. Everybody carefully color inside the picture. Everybody color inside the picture. And the tip for coloring, that first you will draw outline. What you will do? First you will draw the outline with the help of red color. With the help of red color in the pomegranate, then you will start coloring inside it. What am I sharing with you tips? The tip number 1 for the coloring, that first you will draw the red outline, the red boundary line. Okay, that will be dark. After making a red color boundary line, outline, you will start coloring inside, but be careful while coloring. How you will color in it? Be careful. Nobody will take out any one color from the object, from the fruit. Okay, same as it you will do with the guava. What you will do? You will do the green boundary outline. First you will color with the green color boundary outline, dark outline. Okay, then you will start color in it. It will be looking neat and clean when you will color it. When do you want color it neatly? So you have to follow the tip. Okay, and nobody will skip any one space, white space in your picture in your book. Okay, now this is the leaf of the guava, and the leaf color as you show in your picture, as all of you can see this, in this picture you can see the leaf picture will be green and the stem of the guava will be brown. Okay, okay. I hope all of you got it. Now I am sharing with you about home task. Today home task. As I am sharing with you that home task, so what you will do? First of all, everybody be careful about that. All objects, these question number 1, 2, 3, you will draw in your drawing copy. But before starting your drawing copy work, you will make a face sheet on your first page. As all of you know that on your drawing copy first page you will write your name, father name, class, roll number, subject. Okay, and the next page what you will write? Second page you will draw a square box in which you will write about the what you will write about the object drawing. Okay, what you will write there, you will make a title of object drawing. After it you will draw, what you will do, you will write a question number 1, draw a funnel and color it in drawing copy. Okay, what you will do, you will draw a funnel in your drawing copy. Be careful about when you will draw funnel in your drawing copy, it will be neat and clean and according to my instruction, according to my drawing steps which I have shared with you today. Question number 2, that is about a table and color it. How you will draw a table and you will color it in your copy? You will draw a table according to my instruction and color it as you want. Color as you want. Do you want a table? Your table will be look like a green, blue. Okay, so you can use any one color. Question number 3. It is also you will complete in your drawing copy. Draw a chair and color it. As I have shared with you the drawing steps of your chair, same as it is you will draw a chair in your drawing copy. No need of drawing steps, just draw it one a chair. I shared with you steps for making your complete picture. Okay. Question number 4, this is your book page number. This is your book page number. Color the fruits on book page number 3. Okay, this one is not your copy. This one is for your book page number 3 as I have shared with you. As I have shared with you. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all got it carefully, but I have before one thing I want to show you that this is the copy page of your drawing copy. How you will draw lines? You will draw question margin like this, as all of you know that this is your drawing copy page. How you will draw? These lines you will draw for drawing. These margin you will draw. And this is the Q. What you will do this with Q? You will write here question. And question number 1 will be draw a funnel and color it. On next page, you will draw a table and color it. On next page, what you will do? You will draw a chair and you will color in it. Okay, this is, I am showing you here your drawing copy page. How you will make it? How you will make it? You will make it in your drawing copy, same as it is you will make a pattern in your drawing copy for drawing your object. Got my point? Okay, my dear students, I hope you all got clear instruction about how you will draw all the objects in your drawing. This is the end from my side.